kawai karai ke bagi shim menta kaski. Sa kawai pat karai ke bagi shim menta kaski, menta ka janmit. Aka review meeting kalong. Ba ki colleges ki badon hapo Shillong agglomeration hapo Shillong baro kawai ngilarai ban khang no shuang hadu kalai terik jong une ubenai me ar hajar ar poway like no kitu ki college ki badon kanika examination center ya kita ngin ailat bakin pendep ya ke exam ke jongki nang ta shushu ka online classes ha kitu ki colleges ki bangi ongin khang menta kan yaj ko majulong but umdei tangata ki nong hikai ki lecturers ki teachers kin attend ya ka duty jo ki kum bajulong normal ha kiski ki baladep institution located within Shillong agglomeration will be closed up to 3rd May 2021, except those college institutions who is having an exam center, they can continue. They are exempted from closure. And again, in addition to this, the government has taken a decision, online classes in those colleges as done earlier, it should continue. The teachers, the lecturers is allowed to attend their normal duties in their respective colleges. The non-essential shops. I would like to inform that the decision is taken today that from the 26th of April up to 2nd of May 2021, non-essential shops in and around Shillong area will be closed. Non-essential shops in Shillong will be closed from 26th of this month up to the 2nd of May. All the details of these non-essential shops, we have directed the Deputy Commissioner to issue a separate notification. I think you will be able to get the notification, all the details from the Deputy Commissioner Shillong. And the last decision we taken today, the government employees now is reduced to attend their respective offices up to 33%. Kawai pat karai ke bengishim menta kasngi. Haka review meeting ke sorkar kala shim ya karai karai. Ba yakitu kidukan ke bengi ong ki non essential shops. Kidukan ki bomdei yaki tiar gitar ki bangi donkam man kasngi. Ke bengi ong ki essential shops. Ngila shim ya karai banadu ka arprunuturik. Jong une ubenai hadu ka artrik jong ubenai mi ngin khang shua yaki barok. Nadu ka artrik hadu ka artrik jong ubenai mi ngin khang shua yaki niki non-essential shops hang ne hapo Shillong barok kawai. Nang ta kawai pat ka bengi shimru karai menta kasengi kolong ba. Ya ka attendance jong ki nongtrei sorkar. Ha ki department ki baper menta ngi penhiar nakasispa persen sya kalai pulai persen. Kita kirai ki bengisim menta ka janmit. Bat ka sorkar kasim ru ya kawai ka jingkerpat ka bakerpang. Na benta ki nong snong jong ki jela borok kawai. Bakin sngau bha ban ya trelang bat ka health department hakaba ka vaccination drive nang ne sekmat nikwa ban penyaj state kat bala kenang ba kan long Sngan bat kan long safe. Ya ki pai ba nong song snong. Jong ke jela jongi barokaway. Ngida kerpat. Bat ngida penbor. Ya iway pa iway nong song snong. Ki bampat ya ke vaccination. Ya ke bampat le ya ke vaksin ba kin sngaw ba. Ban le haki jaka haki center. Ki ba ke sorkar kelabu. Bakin yo ya ledi. Ya ke injection. Kumbalap tha nakaliang jong ka health department.